Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Evening, ma'am. Welcome.
Good evening.
Yeah. Welcome to our place in Shillong.
Thank you so much.
It's a estate cloud. So many natural areas surrounding environment. How do you feel when you reach in Meghalaya now?
I feel very happy. I have been to Meghalaya, I've been to Shillong many times. I have very dear friends, and the first time I came was many years ago for a fashion society, a fashion show, where I met Mr. Sangma, Conrad Sangma's father, and later on I met him at my dear friend's house, Prabhat and Parthe De, and we went up to Mr. Sangma's house for dinner. And today it feels very strange to be coming here to a function where Conrad Sangma is going to be when he's chief guest. It's like life circles going round. I love Shillong. I love the way the girls dress. I love the trees, the lake in Barapani. I've just come from Rikanjay. I spent the whole afternoon there. I've come here many times with many friends. Zina Taman was a friend who came with us many times. And if I didn't live in Calcutta, which I love, I would like to live in Shillong. I would like to have a house here. So I thank Commander Shangpliang for inviting me to this very prestigious film festival that you're all having for the first time. And I hope many people will be there and applaud his efforts and those of the delegates who have bothered to come so far away for a lovely event. Thank you.
Ma'am, we have seen here in Meghalaya, the film festival is the first and ever which happening.
Yes.
Will start tomorrow. But we can see here in Meghalaya, till now, we don't have that a film industry like Bollywood in Mumbai. If any guideline, can you elaborate and to help for the people in Meghalaya, especially those who are indulging in the film?
I think you must be having film directors here who are watching international films, going to international film festivals. So even if your industry is beginning, is starting and is very small, once you made a few films, you send them out to these smaller film festivals for recognition and start using artists from Bengal, from Guwahati, Manipur. They have a film industry. I think I worked in a Manipuri student's film once, guest appearance. So when you start interacting, calling in artists from different neighboring states, and you start making small films and sending them out to small festivals, people will hear and know about you. They will send their films here. They will come here. I'm surprised not many people from South India or West Bengal or North India, I mean Mumbai, have not come here for film shootings. You have so many beautiful locations like Barapani, you have these forests, you have the Polo Club. There is so much to be exploited in Shillong. Maybe Mr. Conrad will emphasize more on tourism this time than he has earlier. You do deserve it.
See, we have seen now in Meghalaya, recently the government of Meghalaya, the MDA, they had bring now a policy on film. But till date, they are not functional. So, what is your objective? If in Meghalaya the film industry will have with a policy, what kind of that reaction?
I don't know what kind of policy you are thinking of having, but if you start having a recognized film industry, if you have it recognized by the government like we do, maybe we do, meaning in Bombay, then I can come, I can do a voiceover. You can have other artists, my daughters, other people. I say I and my daughters because we are easily accessible. We have friends and we've been to Shillong and love it. But there are other artists who would love to come and work here from stage, from films. They just have to be invited. And I don't think remuneration will be a big factor when you're helping an industry grow.
Do you have any message you're giving to our local artists now? Because film, they are still promoting, they are still ongoing to be us and film industry.
You know, I came here to a film festival. I'm remembering now. You did have a film festival, but it wasn't. It was very small. There was an actress who had put on, you know, she'd been working for many years, stopped working. They had shown one of her films. I remember her sitting next to me. So you were trying so hard. There will be fruit later on. You know, we will all recognize it and come very happily. I also wish you the very best. And I hope it'll be a big film festival next time.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.